Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to delete saved passwords from Google Smart Lock and how to turn off Google Smart Lock option to prevent saving passwords anymore. In many phones, Google Smart Lock is enabled by default. Let's know what can be happen if your Google Smart Lock is enabled in your phone. I'm opening my Facebook account and Google Smart Lock is automatically filling my email and passwords here. It's risky for them who log their friend's email account into their phone. Their friend can know all apps password from Google Smart Lock of their phone. And there is one more risk that if your Google account is hacked, your all apps password will be hacked. So let's see how to delete passwords from your Google Smart Lock. After then we will see how to disable Google Smart Lock from your phone. Before starting, I am requesting you to subscribe my channel if you have not subscribed yet. At first, go to settings and go to Google. If you cannot find Google option here, you have to go to accounts option first and then you will have found Google option. I'm tapping on Google option. Here you will see your Gmail account. Just scroll down and find autofill option, then click on autofill, then click on autofill with Google, then scroll down again and find passwords option, then click on passwords and scroll down again. Here you will see all the apps linked with your Google Smart Lock, then click on the app whose password you want to delete. I want to delete saved password of my Facebook account, so I am clicking on Facebook app. You can see the password by clicking on eye icon here. Tap on the delete option to delete the password, then unlock your phone. I'm sorry, my screen recorder is not working because of security purpose. Then click on delete option again. Now the saved password of my Facebook account has been deleted permanently from my Google account and the Google Smart Lock. Now let's see how to disable Google Smart Lock to prevent saving passwords anymore. At first go to settings, then you can search for Trust Agents, or you can go to Trust Agent manually. I'm going to Trust Agents manually. So at first go to security settings. I'm going to biometrics and security, then other security settings, then Trust Agents, then disable the Smart Lock option from here. Comment below if you have any questions and subscribe my channel to get latest updates. Bye for today.